Hi everyone, so in this video I will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy Watch, which comes with some amazing features like long battery life and some more other features. It comes with 46mm dial and 22mm strap, which is priced at 30,000 as an official price, but I got this on Flipkart sales for 12,500 after discount. Now let's check out what it has got. So now let's unbox this watch. So this is the first look. As you can see, it has got the speakers over here, 2 buttons and 1 microphone, and this amazing bezel. Okay, now let's keep this aside and see what we have got over here. Okay, so there are 2 sides. Now let's check out this one first. Okay, it comes with charger, I guess it's a charger. Yes, that's the charger over here. Let's see what the other box has got. It comes with this is the magnet where you can charge your device over here. And let's see what other things we have got over here. It has an additional strap which you can use. It's a silicone strap, it's the same one. An extra strap, and that's it. It has also user manuals over here, as you can see. Okay, these are the user manuals, which comes with warranty card and guide. Now let's check out the watch. So after doing the setup, आपको ये application download करनी है, which will help you to pair your phone with the watch. You can simply tap over any watch face which you like, and this would change accordingly. And even by clicking over here, you can download various other applications which you like. So the watch comes with 2 buttons and 1 bezel, जो आपको पूरा watch control करने में help करेगा. So after connecting your watch to your phone, you can even operate calls from over here. Watch this. You can simply drag it like this, or you can operate from the bezel. Now the call is on. You can even disconnect it from here, and also you can call via using your smartwatch like this. Now the next feature which I really loved about this watch is finding the phone. You can simply go over here and tap on Find My Phone. So wherever your phone would be, it would ring automatically. Now the next feature which I truly loved about this watch is always on feature. By clicking over here, your dial would be always showing you the time like this, and this looked really amazing in the dark. Now last and the final thing which Samsung has improved is the screen quality. The Samsung Galaxy has the OLED display and this has the normal one. The screen quality of the watch is really nice and really amazing. Even though they have also improved the chargers, this is the old charger which I have got for Samsung Galaxy S2, Gear S2, and this one. And for this one, it has this charger. It comes with extra grip over here, which would help the magnet to stick very easily. Okay, so these were some of the features and unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Watch. Do like the video if you like the information which I have shared, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.